I am standing in the center of Pembroke Pines, Florida. Welcome to Pelican Pointe, a private townhome community nestled in such an amazing location that we are going to show you at the end of this video. We're going to be giving you an exclusive tour of my newest listing, and in return, I only ask for you to like, subscribe, because we show you homes here on this channel before they even hit the market. My name is Michael Valencia, and I am the #1 realtor for Lauderdale Realty here in Florida, and this is Living in South Florida. This reminds me of the very first house I bought when I was 21 years old in 2009. Built in 1998, this 2-bedroom, 2-bath townhouse has almost 1,400 square feet of living space, a 2-car driveway, and a 1-car garage, and I'm feeling nostalgic because this is the perfect starter home. The dining room and living room are just what you need to unwind. The dining room is right off the kitchen and next to the living room, so you never miss a beat when you have company over, or your favorite show is on TV. Feeling hungry? Follow me to the kitchen. White cabinetry complemented with newer stainless steel appliances and a serving station that is sure to keep your guests engaged. And when you need some fresh air, the screened-in porch is an ideal place to relax and catch up on some reading material. Come with me upstairs and notice how the primary room has such a calming view of nature. 2 walk-in closets and a primary bath that has dual sinks with a stand-up shower. The second bedroom is right across the hallway, and to maximize privacy, it also has its own full bathroom attached. Pelican Pointe is a community comprised of 456 townhomes with a centrally located clubhouse, pool, jacuzzi, tennis court, and fitness room. Perfectly located off Flamingo Road and south of Pines Boulevard, you're right in the center of it all. Across the street from C.B. Smith Park, Memorial West Hospital, Pembroke Lakes Mall, and so much more. If you're interested in a neighborhood tour, check out my neighborhood tour playlist on my channel where I showcase all of Pembroke Pines. And if you're interested in this property or any other property across South Florida, all of my information is in the description below, and I look forward to hearing from you.